Have you ever felt frumpy or uncomfortable in your travel clothes? Don't worry, you're not alone. But what if I told you that you could look elegant and feel cozy on every trip? Picture yourself stepping off the plane, turning heads with your elegant and polished look. Today, I'm going to share 8 chic airport looks that will make you the most stylish traveler in the terminal, all without compromising on comfort. Make sure to watch till the end, because I will unveil a secret tip that will revolutionize the way you dress for the airport, making every journey more enjoyable and stylish. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's start with leggings. I know what you're thinking. Leggings? But hear me out. A pair of high-waisted stretchy leggings can be a game changer. They provide comfort without sacrificing style. I love pairing mine with a long tunic or an oversized sweater. This combo keeps you cozy and looks put together. Plus, the high waist offers a bit of tummy control, which is always a bonus. My go-to for long flights are black or dark-colored leggings because they're versatile and can hide any travel mishaps. After a 10-hour flight, you'll appreciate that stretch. I remember one trip where I opted for skinny jeans with no stretch instead of leggings. Halfway through the flight, I regretted it. They felt so restrictive. That's when I vowed to always choose comfort over everything for travel. Choose high-quality leggings with moisture-wicking properties, especially for long flights. This will keep you comfortable and feeling fresh. Next up, matching sets. These are a lifesaver when you want to look effortlessly stylish without overthinking it. A coordinated top and pants or a sweatsuit in a soft, breathable fabric like cotton or jersey is perfect. Matching sets make you look polished and put together, even after a long flight. I always choose ones in neutral colors or subtle patterns that can be easily mixed and matched with other items in my travel wardrobe. On a recent trip, I wore a matching set in a soft jersey fabric. It felt like I was wearing pajamas, but I looked so chic. People even complimented my outfit at the airport. When choosing a matching set, opt for one with a relaxed fit to ensure maximum comfort. Also, check for features like drawstring waists and elastic cuffs for added convenience. Comfortable jeans are another staple. Look for ones with a bit of spandex for added flexibility. Pair them with a casual blouse or a fitted top for a smart and casual look. Jeans can be tricky because you don't want them too tight or too loose. I recommend a mid-rise or high-rise for a flattering fit that's also comfortable for long periods of sitting. These are perfect for when you want to look a bit more dressed up but still feel comfortable. I used to avoid jeans for travel because they seemed uncomfortable. But then I found a pair with just the right amount of stretch, and it was a game changer. Now, they're a regular part of my travel wardrobe. Dark wash jeans are ideal for travel as they can be dressed up or down easily. Pair them with a comfortable top and a light jacket for a versatile look. Now let's talk about shoes. Comfortable footwear is a must. Slip-on sneakers, loafers, or ballet flats are perfect for travel. They're easy to take off during security checks and provide ample support for walking through the airport. A good pair of shoes can make all the difference. My favorite are slip-on sneakers because they're so easy and versatile. Avoid high heels or any shoes that might cause discomfort during long travel periods. I've learned this the hard way. I once wore heels to the airport thinking I would look stylish. Big mistake. My feet were killing me by the time I boarded the plane. Since then, I always choose comfort over fashion when it comes to airport footwear. Choose footwear with good arch support and cushioned insoles for maximum comfort. Brands that specialize in travel shoes often have the best options. Layering is key for airport outfits. A lightweight cardigan, denim jacket, or a shawl can be easily put on or taken off as needed. These pieces not only add style, but also keep you warm in chilly airplane cabins. I always have a cardigan in my carry-on. It's perfect for those unexpected temperature changes in the cabin. Plus, it can double as a blanket if needed. Layering also adds dimension to your outfit, making it look more interesting. On one flight, the cabin was freezing, And I was so glad I had my cozy cardigan with me. It made the flight so much more comfortable. Opt for layers in neutral colors that can easily match with the rest of your travel wardrobe. A denim jacket, for example, goes with almost everything. A stylish tote or backpack is another essential. It should hold all your travel essentials while keeping you organized. Look for bags with multiple compartments and easy access to your items. A good travel bag is both functional and complements your overall look. My favorite is a tote with a built-in laptop sleeve and several pockets for organization. This way, I can easily find everything I need without digging through my bag. I once had a bag with no organization. Everything was just thrown in. It was a nightmare trying to find anything. Now, I always choose bags with plenty of compartments. When choosing a travel bag, consider your specific needs. Do you need a place for your laptop or maybe a quick access pocket for your passport? Make sure it suits your travel style. Next, we have accessories. Accessories can elevate your airport look effortlessly. Stylish sunglasses and minimal jewelry can make a big impact. Sunglasses help you look fresh even after a long flight, and minimal jewelry adds a touch of elegance without being over the top. Accessories add that final touch to your outfit. Sunglasses are also a must-have. They hide those tired eyes and instantly make you look more put together. I always carry my favorite pair of sunglasses. They not only protect my eyes, but also make me feel instantly more stylish. As for jewelry, I keep it simple. A pair of earrings and a bracelet are enough. Choose accessories that are versatile and can match multiple outfits. This way, you don't need to pack a lot but can still switch up your look. Always opt for clothes made from wrinkle-resistant fabrics. Materials like jersey, knits, and certain synthetic blends such as polyester, nylon, and spandex hold up well during travel and keep you looking fresh. Other great options include microfiber, modal, and tencel, which are known for their durability and resistance to wrinkles. These fabrics are a lifesaver. After sitting for hours, the last thing you want is to look like a crumpled mess. Wrinkle-resistant fabrics ensure you look polished and put together upon arrival. Trust me, they make a big difference. I once wore a cotton shirt on a long flight, and by the time I arrived, it was so wrinkled I looked like I had slept in it. Now, I always choose wrinkle-resistant fabrics for travel. Choosing the right fabrics can significantly reduce the stress of traveling. Not having to worry about your clothes looking wrinkled and unkempt allows you to focus more on enjoying your journey and feeling confident in your appearance. Now, as promised, here's the secret tip that will revolutionize the way you dress for the airport. Always carry a versatile scarf. A high-quality scarf can serve multiple purposes during your travels. It can keep you warm during chilly flights, serve as a makeshift pillow or blanket, and even elevate your outfit with a touch of elegance. Choose a scarf in a neutral color or a stylish pattern that complements most of your travel wardrobe. This simple addition can transform your travel experience, making you feel more comfortable and put together no matter where you're headed. I'd like to hear from you. What's the most memorable airport outfit you've ever worn? And do you prefer dressing up or dressing down when you travel? If you learned something from this video, you'll definitely enjoy this next one.